Well, guys, it's time for an update on Micro Dwarf 2526 collaboration. And look what we got over there. The greenhouse that we've been trying to babysit has collapsed. Probably have lost everything in there, including grow lights, but we'll assess it when we get back. We've gotten like 7.6 inches of snow here. We'll go inside and get an update on the hydroponic. Okay, we're going to get a little update on the hydroponic now. See how things are going in here with our Micro Dwarf tomatoes. They're doing fantastic. Ooh, that's too big. Let me get that down a little bit. Look at that one. Ooh, it is big. It's time to raise the light up a little bit. The light is up probably about 14 to 16 inches right now. So that's how tall that one is. Although it's got a bend in it down here. So it's actually taller than that, but no budding on it yet. But the Micro Dwarf tomatoes are doing really good. I'm very pleased with it. We've got some Ruby Queen beets coming up in here. We've got 3 of them that's coming up. And Maverick's little artichokes are 3 of those have sprouted. And over here I've got some golden acre cabbage coming up, and I've got cabbage coming up in all 5 of those. So anyway, that's going to be the little update for week 11 for hashtag Micro Dwarf 2526 collaboration with Gail at Gail Southern Living and Carol with Broke But Bountifully Blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on week 12.